Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, welcome to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing a little battle of my leave-in conditioners. Right now I have two favorite leave-in conditioners that work well with my hair, but I want to see which one is better. So I'm going to be putting Kinky Curly Not Today leave-in on this side, and then the Mielle Organics Pomegranate and Honey leave-in on this side, and we're gonna see which one works better. If you guys would like to see the results, then keep on watching. Okay, so first I'm going to start by sectioning my hair, and I'm just going to put that other half into a bun while I work on the right side of my hair, which is going to be the kinky curly side. I'm going to make sure I get that section nice and damp so it's ready to apply my leave-in. And like I said, this is the kinky curly side, and I'm just going to put a good amount into this section and just lather it through, make sure all of my strands are getting coated. I'm going to then rake through my hair, and as you guys can see here, I'm sectioning off my curls just to give it some more definition. Okay, so this is what the kinky curly side is looking like. Then I'm just going to go into that other section and just apply that Mielle Organics just the same way that I did the kinky curly. I'm going to apply it and then rake it through my hair and then start to section off pieces of my hair. I ain't thinking about middle fingers up, put them hands high, waving in his face, tell him boy bye. Tell him, boy, bye, middle fingers up, I ain't thinking about you, I ain't thinking about you, I ain't sorry, oh yeah.
This is my favorite part right here.
Alright guys, so I finished applying the leave-in conditioners to my hair. This side is the Kinky Curly and this side is the Mielle Organics. Right now I really can't tell which one is going to come out better. This side is looking a little bit more defined than this side, but I don't know how it's going to look when it dries. But yeah, you guys let me know down there in the comment section, and you guys guess which side is going to come out looking better. So this is Kinky Curly side, and this is the Mielle Organic side. Alright, so I'm going to come back to you guys when my hair is completely dried. Okay guys, so I'm back and my hair is 100% dried. So this side is the Mielle Organics and this side is the Kinky Curly. So this side is more frizzier and it's probably more soft. It doesn't really have that much of a hold, but it's still defined, and this side has lots of hold, it's defined, there's barely any frizz, and yeah, I think we know who won this one, Kinky Curly. You guys let me know in the description box which side you guys like the best. Okay, that's it for this video. Make sure you hit the thumbs up if you liked it, and don't forget to subscribe right down there, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.
Big homie better grow.